Thank you for joining me. My name is James Kubley. I'm a Femap technical specialist here at Saratech. And in this little brief video, we're going to discuss how to find orphan CFAST elements. Now, you might be wondering how you can orphan some Femap elements, or CFAST elements, since Femap seems to be pretty good at not letting you delete items that are referenced by other items. But I'll demonstrate here today how we can do that. There are two ways to define a CFAST element. One is the element to element and the property to property. And what we'll see is that the property to property one is the one that will allow you to delete the mesh or the elements around it and end up having a CFAST element that's still defined but not visible on the model and unable to select or delete it. So let's break a model. I got here a simple two surface part with a shell mesh already applied to it, some basic constraints on loads, though we won't be running analysis. And I have two CFAST elements, one here, one right here. I'm not going to demonstrate how to create them. We've already got a video on that, but I will demonstrate how to break things. So first off, we're just going to delete the mesh. So delete model mesh. I'm going to do by surface and go OK. We're not going to delete in the unused properties anymore because we still want them. Okay, so here's what happened. The CFAST on the right, since that was defined by element, those two elements were skipped during the deletion process, but the one on the left, it was not defined by element. It's done by the plate properties, which were assigned to these two surfaces. So what we'll see is that it's still visible in this particular situation because we have this other one. But notice now how kind of visually there's these lines that stretch over to the other one. And also to demonstrate, you can't actually delete this. So if we go to model element, I can't select it, but I can select the other one. So let's cancel out of this, and just because we're going to go undo, oops, we got to undo all my motions, there we go. So now we're back. I'm going to delete that one on the right in advance to show you what else could happen. Looks like maybe I misclicked. Delete model element. There it is. And we'll go OK. Oh, did I click? I must have clicked delete, didn't I? And I cleared the display. Brain fart there. Apologize for that. So now we have the one CFAST element left, and that was defined by the top property plate by the bottom property plate. So now if we go back to deleting the mesh again, delete model mesh on surface, and we delete these two here and go OK. Now you can see it's completely disappeared, but over here on the tree it still exists. And so even if we hit highlight, nothing's going to appear. So it's pretty quick and easy to fix. All we need to do is go over to custom tools, meshing, and we want weld fastener element check. Again, that's custom tools, meshing, and weld fastener element check. In this dialog box, I'm going to select standard, and I'm going to go for both list and create group. And then we'll click OK. And it says right down here, we can see in our message window, we've got one element ID, and that's 73. That's missing. Go over here into group. We've now got a group. So let's see if we go to, and then we could just go to like delete model element, just select that group and go more to add it to the list, and then go OK. And there we go. The element, the now orphaned CFAST element is deleted. So as a quick review, to find and remove orphaned CFAST elements, you go to Custom Tools, Meshing, Weld, Fastener Element Check, and then in the new dialog box you'll want to select Standard, select List, and Create Groups. The only reason I don't select Nastran is because it requires either an existing analysis have run or to run a new analysis, and this is just quicker to do that. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@saratech.com.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at saratech.com/events.